So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create approval process on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this first website and log into your account right here. After that select this profile icon and now choose access Zoho CRM. Now go with this settings icon right here and now go with this option right here. Now you have to select this button right here called add approval process, and now you have to fill these details which like selecting your module from this list. You can choose anyone and give a name to your approval process. Let's say we'll go with Howard, and give a description about your approval process. You can type whatever you want, and after that you have to choose when this approval process execute, when record creation or when record edit. And after selecting all of these details you just need to click on this button right here called add rule to this process. Now you have to choose again some settings, and after customizing these settings you just need to click on this button right here called done, and now you have successfully created your approval process on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to create your approval process on your Zoho CRM. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.